Here it is, guys. Okay guys, I don't think I ever closed the video out on the Audi when I did the power steering pressure hose. I think I took off and test drove it and never turned the camera back on. The power steering still isn't working. I believe the power steering pump is no good. I was making the video on how to change the power steering pump. As you can tell, the pipes are off right here. These 3 bolts that hold the pulley are supposed to be 6, one of these guys, 6 millimeters. And I have this guy right here, the Hex 6. And one of those 3 bolts, somebody has touched this before, and one of the 3 bolts, it doesn't even go in. I can't get anything to go. It's all jacked up. So I am not capable of having a tool that can get in there and get the 3rd bolt out. 2 of the 3 I'm sure I can loosen up with some time, but trying to see all 3 of them, which one was going to be the easiest, I come to find out that one of them is no good. So I did this message the owner to come check it out. At this point, this might be the last video on the Audi for a while. I cannot do this job. I don't have the correct tools or anything, and I refuse at this point to take off the front end. So I'm super bummed. It is very unfortunate. I am not one to give up, but as you guys can tell, the Sentra has been rearranged. So this is actually a sneak peek. The Sentra is pulled forward. I'll leave it there. Videos will come later on. But yeah, super sneak peek of the garage right now. And the gallant's out of here. So you guys get to see a sneak peek on that if you watch the whole video and my normal subscribers. But as far as the Audi, guys, changing out that pressure hose, it did work for a little bit. And then I went to check the fluid, and then after that it stopped working again. So it's no good at this point. So I don't know. The owner's gonna be come so I can show him, and hopefully he's able to find somebody to do the power steering pump. But as always, guys, like, subscribe, share. If this is a common issue where you change that hose and then the power steering just doesn't work after that, let me know if that's a common issue, or what ways there are for that not to happen, or I don't know. Let me know, guys. But like, subscribe, share. Thank you, guys. Get the tools, do it yourself, save money into your own pocket, and get it done. Thanks, guys.